Assalamu alaikum students. Today is 22nd July 2020 and the day is wonderful Wednesday. And today we are going to learn about punctuations. We have discussed different punctuations earlier in our previous video lessons, and today we are going to discuss the functions of full stop, comma and semicolon. You see how they are represented? Alright, it looks like full stop looks like this one. You are very much familiar with this one, punctuation mark, then comma, and semicolon looks like this one. Alright, so we will discuss the functions of these punctuation marks, and today we will also discuss in this video lesson to capitalize these sentences as well. So first of all, let me show you this flashcard. What do you see on this one flashcard? Obviously these are the different punctuation marks. So, and each of the punctuation mark has different function. This is the full stop, you see, let me show you closely. This is the full stop. Alright, exclamation mark, comma, question mark, parenthesis, these are called brackets as well, dash, ellipsis, ampersand, colon, and speech marks. The other name used for speech mark is quotation marks, right? Apostrophe, semicolon. So today we are going to discuss particularly full stops, right, comma and semicolon. Full stop, comma and semicolon, these three punctuations have different functions. For example, you know that full stop, the other name for the full stop is period, right? We also call this period. Full stop is used at the end of the sentence. When we complete a sentence, after completing the sentence we put full stop. It shows that the यहाँ पे sentence जो है, जो हम बात कहना चाह रहे हैं, जो हम बताना चाह रहे हैं, वो हमारा complete हो चुका है. That has ended there. Full stop इस चीज़ को denote करता है. Then comma, you know, comma is something which is used to separate different items, different articles given on one sentence. For example, if you can list if you want to make a list of different things in one sentence, so you can say that we had apples, cheese and water. Let me show you closely, right? This is the comma, and let me show you another flashcard. यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि कॉमा एक सेंटेंस में डिफरेंट जो थिंग्स हैं उनको लिस्ट अप करने के लिए और उनको सेपरेट करने के लिए यूज़ होता है. यू सी, यू नीड एग्स, कॉमा, बटर, कॉमा, sugar and cheese. At the end of the sentence we put full stop, and it shows that here we have ended our sentence. जो बात हम कहना चाह रहे हैं, बताना चाह रहे हैं, यहाँ पे वो फिनिश हो चुकी है. Alright, यहाँ पे कितने आर्टिकल्स हैं? एग्स, बटर, शुगर. अब इनको सेपरेट करने के लिए हम कौन सा पंक्चुएशन मार्क यूज़ करेंगे? ऑब्वियसली कॉमा. सो दिस इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ अ कॉमा. It is used to separate items in a sentence, or it is used to pause in a sentence, to give pause in a sentence. Eggs के बाद अगर आप कॉमा यूज़ नहीं करेंगे तो लगेगा शायद एक ही वर्ड है, eggs, butter, sugar, cheese. But to separate these articles, to separate these items, we have used comma here. So this is the function of a comma. Alright, this is the function of full stop. It is sunny outside. When we end our sentence, we put full stop. Alright, then we have semicolon. You see, semicolon. A semicolon is used to link independent clauses that are closely related. It means that कि इसको यूज़ किया जाता है कि जब एक सेंटेंस के अंदर टू डिफरेंट क्लॉज आते हैं तो उनको सेपरेट करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स टेक अ लुक अगैन एट दिस फ्लैश कार्ड. हियर इज़ अ सेंटेंस, Sarah shouted, and after shouted, you see which punctuation is it? It's semicolon. Sarah shouted, the dog was chasing them. It means कि यहाँ पे pause आ गया. यहाँ पे pause है. जो कॉमा का पॉज है वो एक शॉर्टर पॉज है, बट एक सेमीकोलन एक लॉन्गर पॉज को डिनोट करता है. इट मीन्स कि यहाँ पे टू सेंटेंसेस को, टू डिफरेंट क्लॉजेस को हमने कंबाइन कर लिया. फर्स्ट क्लॉज क्या है? सारा शाउटेड, एंड सेकंड क्लॉज इज द डॉग वाज चेजिंग देम. यस, द डॉग वाज चेजिंग देम. सारा शाउटेड, द डॉग वाज चेजिंग देम. यहाँ पे टू इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज है. फर्स्ट क्लॉज दिस वन, सारा शाउटेड, एंड सेकंड क्लॉज द डॉग वाज चेजिंग देम. Alright, so this is the function of a a full stop and comma, semicolon. All right, now I would like you to open up your textbook. All right, textbook, that let me show you that which question we are going to attempt today. All right, today we are going to practice punctuation on textbook page number 31. All right, punctuation, this is it. I would like you to write down the day here, Wednesday. Wednesday, 22nd July 2020. All right, punctuation, please highlight this one. A full stop, comma, semicolon. In particular, we are discussing these three punctuation marks: full stop, comma, and semicolon. Full stop is a pause. It separates one sentence from another. And a comma is also a pause. It is used in a sentence to show a short pause. As I told you कि short pause के लिए comma use होता है. And so a semicolon, which looks like this, it shows that there is a pause in a sentence and it shows a longer pause than a comma, but shorter than a full stop. Alright, so a comma expresses short pause and a semicolon expresses longer pause, as it is used to separate two independent clauses, and actually they have link between them, but उसको separate करने के लिए semicolon हम use करते हैं. So this is the statement: separate these sentences using semicolons, commas, and full stop. And these are the sentences A, B, C, D, E. These are the sentences. We are going to put punctuation marks in these, and let me show you this closely. आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे कोई punctuation mark नहीं है. हमें नहीं पता कि beginning कहाँ से हो रही है, जो हम बात कहना चाह रहे हैं वो ख़त्म कहाँ हो रही है, कहाँ finish हो रही है. No, there is no use of any punctuation. Full stop, comma, semicolons कुछ भी नहीं है. In fact, यहाँ पे capitalization भी नहीं है. You see, the first letter is always written in capital, but यहाँ पे capitalization भी नहीं है. So, you see, so we are going to capitalize as well as punctuate these sentences in our notebook. Alright children, I would like you to take out your notebook for the written work. Alright, that's how you will prepare your notebook. First of all, draw a margin line, straight margin line, then write down the day, Wednesday, 22nd July 2020, and that's the classwork. Unit number 5 and NCN 5, topic is punctuation. Alright, you will prepare the notebook as you can see in the video. Separate the sentences using semicolon, comma, and full stops. यहाँ पे हमने punctuate करके इनको write किया हुआ है, right? A, he shot an arrow they just watched. You see, H is highlighted here. Why I have highlighted H here? Because I want to make it look prominent. मैं यहाँ पे capitalization को आपको to make it easier for you. So मैं आपको simplify करना चाह रही थी कि आपने capitalization का भी ध्यान रखना है. जहाँ पे capitalize हमने किया हुआ है वहाँ पे हमने letters को highlight कर दिया. So he shot an arrow. After arrow there is a semicolon. Why we have used a semicolon? Because यहाँ पे two independent clauses link कर रहे हैं. First clause is he shot an arrow and the second clause is they just watched. At the end of the sentence we have used full stop. Alright, यहाँ पे सारी punctuation, as you can see this, I have used blue pointer to highlight, to mark the punctuation, because आपको मैं चाह रही थी कि it will help you to see this visibly. आप इसको visibly यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. He shot an arrow they just watched. They were good archers. He was good at everything. यहाँ पे भी आप देख रहे हैं semicolon use हुआ because independent clause link कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे two. The dog did not die. It could not bark or eat. The dog did not die. यहाँ पे ये first clause है, ये second clause है. Clause means कि एक sentence complete sentence है जिसमें subject भी है, जिसमें verb भी है, right? क्योंकि यहाँ पे subject है the dog और verb भी है die. D, I have two brothers, Noman and Khalid. He has a sister, Aisha. We like to swim every day. She does not. So यहाँ पे first clause है we like to swim every day. उसके बाद यहाँ पे semicolon use हुआ है and after that she does not full stop. Here it means that here we have ended our वर्ड्स, यहाँ पे हमने अपने अल्फाज को, अपनी बात को जो हम कहना चाह रहे थे वो उसको फिनिश कर दिया. ऑलराइट, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस क्लास वर्क चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ these 3 punctuation marks. आपने यहाँ पे full stop, comma and semicolon को draw करना है. You can make it colorful any way you want. आप जिस तरह चाहें इसको color कर सकते हैं. You can use marker colors, crayons, pencils, computer sheets, anything. But I want you to draw these punctuation marks, right? Because these will help you to remember how they look, like full stop, comma and semicolon. Alright, after completing the classwork, don't forget to fill up your index. 22nd July 2020 punctuation. And let me tell you one thing, that ये आपके जो notes हैं जो आपने क्लास वर्क अभी कंप्लीट किया है, आफ्टर वॉचिंग द वीडियो लेसन ऑफ इंग्लिश, वहाँ पे नोट्स के फोल्डर में स्मार्ट स्कूल के ऐप में, जिसमें आप आजकल वर्किंग एंड सारी लर्निंग कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पे ये अपलोड किया हुआ है. आप प्लीज़ डाउनलोड कीजिएगा एंड इसको अपनी नोटबुक में कंप्लीट कीजिएगा. ऑलराइट, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू लुक एट द डायरी. टुडेज़ डायरी इज़, you have to prepare the test of adverbs, workbook page number 19 and 20. Workbook page number 19 and 20. Let me show you. Workbook page number 19 and 20 we have done. Yes, we did the topic of adverbs here. Page number 19, adverbs. आपने ये adverbs prepare करने हैं. You see, आपने ये adverbs प्रिपेयर करने हैं, आपने टेस्ट के लिए इसको लर्न करना है. दीज आर द एडवर्ब्स. एडजेक्टिव्स आपको दिए हुए थे, आपने एडवर्ब्स यहाँ पे फॉर्म करने थे. ऑलराइट, दिस पार्ट इज़ टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द टेस्ट. इंशाल्लाह बाय टुमारो ऑन थर्सडे वी विल कंडक्ट आवर वीकली टेस्ट. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. लुक आफ्टर योरसेल्फ, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ.